Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a little while, a few weeks, but I have been working, as you can see. I have been redecorating my living room. I am so in love with how everything turned out, and if you guys want to see how I recreated my space step by step, then stay tuned. All right, so first off, let me say this. I know that I go missing sometimes, but it's because decorating takes time. Like a lot of the time, you might go out and you find one piece here, you find one piece over there, and it really does take a while to kind of get things all together. You might even shop your home and try things in different spots, and then the next day you just like, I don't like how that looks. But really, that's kind of been the reason that I've just been missing for so long, because it has taken a lot of time to try to find the right pieces. Then what I realized is that maybe you guys would want to come along for the process. So instead of me trying to wait until everything is perfect, I think from here on out, whenever I'm doing a project, I'll just kind of take you guys along. That way we don't have to miss each other so much or for so long. I don't like to be missing that long, and I got some of you all's messages, and I know you all were missing me, so I'm sorry, but we're here now. The living room is done. So now I just kind of want to take you step by step with what we did to transform it from country, I guess. It was really, yeah, my style was really like farmhouse. I know so many people love farmhouse style. It has been in for quite a few years, but for me personally, I'm just over that, and I wanted something fresh. You guys saw when I did the kitchen, and then the kitchen just did not match the rest of the house. So I'm like, okay, well, and my floor plan is an open floor plan, so our kitchen is right here, our living room and dining room, everything is all open. So yeah, once we did the kitchen, it's, hey, all of it gotta go. So yes, I guess more modern contemporary is what my vibe is right now. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys what we did to switch some of these things around. All right, so of course you guys saw the video, and you know we started with a focal wall, and I wanted the fireplace, so we definitely started there. And I didn't want to just have a fireplace just sitting there, so I wanted to bump that wall out, install a fireplace, make that wall black so it would stand out and really be the focal point when you walk into the room. So yeah, you guys saw when we did that. If you have not seen that video, I will put a link up here or in the description box. You can check that out to see how we did that step by step, making that wall bump out. And then the thing for me was just going around and finding furniture, finding pieces that would fit my new style. We did consider getting new furniture, a new couch, but we decided to hold off on that for right now. So all I did was change the pillows there. But my side chairs, we definitely had to get some more side chairs. The side chairs that we had were very much a farmhouse style, so I found these great chairs on Overstock, and I was so happy when they came in. For the longest, I have been a black and white girl. That's just my thing. Black and white, base colors, very neutral. And then if I ever get the feeling of color, then I would just use it with my accent pieces, so pillows or whatnot. So getting these green chairs really kind of pushed me out of my comfort zone a little bit. I was on the fence for the longest, like, oh my god, should I really take this chance and get these chairs? But when I tell y'all, I'm so happy that I did. And for me, even though it's green is still kind of like a natural color, because you know it's the color of plants, the natural color of grass and earth. So it wasn't too far in the colorful decor pool. So once we got the fireplace done and we had that focal wall put up, I knew I was going to need something on the side to accent it. So I went to IKEA and I grabbed me two Besta cabinets. And I love the Besta cabinet because you're able to customize it. So you can add feet on it. You can add knobs to it. In addition to that, the Besta cabinet comes with a ton of different styles of doors that you can put on it. I went with the gloss white doors and I really like them. And even though everything was monotone, just one color, I knew that I was going to add handles on there. So to tie in the gold from the back of the chairs, I got these handles from Lowe's and added those handles to the doors. And then I wanted something really dramatic on the side. So found these mirrors at Hobby Lobby, and they are about 6 to 7 feet tall. And I'm like, yes, this is perfect. Put these on the side of the fireplace. So now that whole wall, I mean, it really just stands out when someone walks in. So after that, I decided to definitely get a new coffee table. Old coffee table had to go. Old coffee table was Farmhouse all the way. I found this coffee table online. I don't remember exactly where offhand, but I will definitely leave all the information in the description box. So if you guys like this coffee table too. But when I tell you I fell in love with this because I'm like, oh my God, it's perfect. It's gloss white. It matches my Besta cabinets perfectly. And the glass feet, the edging of the glass just so happened to be green to match the chairs. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Like, come through. This is why it kind of takes a while to find your pieces, because I mean, when you just keep looking, you'll find the perfect pieces. So I was so happy about that. So now also to add drama to the room and to make the room seem bigger, I had to get rid of the old curtains that were there. I wanted to take my curtains all the way to the ceiling. So I found these curtains on Amazon. They are 108 inches, so 9 feet tall. They work perfectly. And at first I started with just the white curtains, but I'm like, nope. We need some color on this wall too. I tried a few different colors. I ended up going with the dark gray, and it just really made that wall pop. And a secret, you guys, the curtain rods I got from Family Dollar for 10 bucks. All right, so lastly, oh my God, the thing that just really topped it off was my light, y'all. I am so in love with this light. Again, this is not the first light that was up there. We had a light, did not like it, had to send it back, but found this one again. Found it on Amazon. Was shook when I found it on Amazon. I'm like, oh my goodness. I looked at a lot of different places. Again, shipping time was crazy or prices were extremely expensive. Y'all, I found this light on Amazon and fell in love. It is perfect for the style that I was going for. So we installed this. It is a 20 bulb candelabra style light. Very kind of mid-century modern. Absolutely love this light. Now I am going to be changing out the bulbs. So as you can see, the bulbs in the light currently are very warm, but throughout the rest of my house I have changed them all to LED lights, and we like the daylight, the 6,000 Kelvin daylight, really bright. That's just what we like. I've gotten accustomed to it. So even though this light looks nice in the evening when you want something dimmer, it just doesn't work with everything else that I have in the house. So we're going to be changing the bulbs out. I already purchased them. They actually should be here today if they come in before I'm sure they will. They'll come in before this video goes up, so I'll probably put in a clip for you guys so you guys can see what the light looks like with the different bulbs in it. But yeah, we're going to change them to the daylight bulbs. But yeah, other than that, I absolutely love this. Would highly recommend it. If you have patience on putting things together, this is a great light. So after the main pieces, all there is left to do now is to decorate with some accessories. So that is it, guys. That is the living room all made over. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so in love with the living room. The living room just, I'm sorry. Okay, my refrigerator decided to do whatever it wanted to do. But yeah, but of course now there's still one more room to do in this area, which is the dining room. So make sure you guys stay tuned because we will be doing that. And like I said, this time I think I'll just take you guys along for the process instead of waiting until it's absolutely complete, because that can end up taking a very long time. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And of course, I will leave all the information in the description box about pretty much a lot of the products that I bought. Almost everything. If it's online, there'll be a link for it so you guys can find it. So thank you guys again, and I will see you on the next video.